In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open multiple QBO companies under different user IDs using Google Chrome. This is really helpful if you manage several QuickBooks Online companies, or you log in with different user IDs and you're tired of constantly signing out and back in. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll be able to keep each company open in its own window, side by side, without them interfering with each other. First, make sure Google Chrome is open on your computer. You can use either Windows or Mac. The process is basically the same. Once Chrome is open, look toward the upper right corner of the browser window. You'll see a small profile icon. It might be a picture, an avatar, or just the first letter of your name. Click on that profile icon. When you click it, a small menu will drop down. At the bottom of that menu, look for the option that says Add with a plus sign. Go ahead and click on Add. This is how we create a separate Chrome profile, which works like a completely different browser with its own cookies and logins. Chrome will now walk you through setting up this new profile. When prompted, choose Continue without an account. This keeps the profile local to your computer and avoids linking it to a Google account, which is often cleaner for work-specific setups. Next, you'll be asked to name the profile. Use something that clearly identifies the QBO company or user you'll use it for, such as QBO Company 2 or a specific client label. This will make it quicker to find later. You can also pick a color scheme or an icon. Choosing a distinct color is a nice visual cue, so you can instantly tell which window belongs to which company while you're working. Once you've set the name and color, click Done. Chrome will open a brand new window for this new profile. Think of this window as dedicated space for just one QBO company. In this new window, go to the QuickBooks Online website. Log in using the credentials for the specific company and user ID you want to use here. Now you have one QBO company open in its own isolated Chrome profile. If you need to work with more QBO companies at the same time, simply repeat the process. Open the profile menu, click Add, create a new profile, then log into the next company in that new window. Each Chrome profile will keep its own login, so you can switch between companies just by switching windows.